Evening folks, and welcome to this demonstration of my Seiko G757 4020. So the 4020 is a sort of slightly dressy version of it, just a sort of fairly plain non-waterproof case. There was a Silver Wave version and the famous James Bond Octopussy Sports 100 version, they were both waterproof. This one isn't particularly. But it does have the all-important 757 module in it, which is the best part of this watch. So what you've got here is you've got the digital display here, some mode indicators there, and then you've got a digital hand section here. So this is a watch from 1980, so they were getting into digital hands about the same time as Casio did, but Seiko didn't really follow up much with this one, although this watch was very popular. So you can see it's showing the time and it's showing the day and the date, and then this outer ring is showing the seconds of the minute. You can get it to display the digital seconds by holding down that set button there, 3 seconds, and then it's just showing the seconds there, but obviously a date's going to be more useful. Set that back. So as it says at the top there, it's in time mode, and this has got all the main functions you actually want in a watch. So it's got a timer, a countdown timer, an alarm, and dual time, and a stopwatch. So pretty much like the Marlin in that respect, and also it's stainless steel, so nice proper metal watch with all the functions you need. So this is the function button here. Let's put it into timer mode, and you set the number of minutes up to 60, and you can see it's adding minutes there on that inner ring there. And I'll just start that and stop it to cancel it. And then I'll just set it for 1 minute so you can see what happens when it gets to the end. So it's starting to count down now round the outside there. And while it's doing that, I'll just show you some of the other features. So that's the alarm mode, and you set the alarm actually using the hands there and the AM and PM indicator there, which is an unusual way to set an alarm, and it's showing the normal time in the bottom part there. And then the same for the world time mode. You've got the normal time, and then the world time is displayed on the digital hands. I'll just skip past the stopwatch bit and go back to the timer. It's getting near the end now. And surprisingly, when it does get to 0, although it does make a sound as an animation, they're quite short-lived. So it might miss. If you're distracted, you might miss it. So you'll see what I mean in a second. That's it. That's as much as an alarm you get when the countdown timer gets to 0. Fortunately, the alarm is a bit better. So where shall I go next? I'll just do the stopwatch. So fairly standard. It does do tenths of a second round the outside there. It just shows the stopwatch is going really. Do a lap time and then reset, so fairly standard functionality. And then finally it's in the set mode, so when it's flashing, that's for the time setting mode. And this is also where you do one of the demo modes. So if you press, while you're in the set mode, if you press these 2 buttons at the same time, it displays all of the LCD segments at once. Isn't that cool? And then just press that button to come out of that. And then similarly, when you're in the time mode, if you hold both these buttons in, you can set the alarm, hourly chime functions, and it also demonstrates the alarm. So I'll just show you that. So that's what happens when the alarm goes off. So it's taken me a long while to get one of these, and I'm very pleased with it now that I have got it. I always thought it was a bit overvalued, but actually I realise now that it's got some great features, all the ones you really need, and an interesting display as well. And it's, of course, stainless steel, nice quality watch. Anyway, thanks ever so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this. Cheerio.